In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block keywords on Google Chrome. How to block keywords. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access more tools and browser settings. From here, go to Extensions, and then open the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find browser add-ons that expand what Chrome can do. After the Chrome Web Store opens, make sure you are searching under Extensions so you can find the right type of tool. In the search bar, type Keyword Blocker. This should bring up extension options related to blocking certain words or filtering content based on keywords. Take a moment to choose the extension that matches what you need, and then click the button to add it to Chrome. Chrome may show a pop-up asking you to confirm the installation. If that appears, approve it so the extension can be installed. Once the extension has been added, the next part is setting it up. Look again in the upper right area of Chrome and click the extensions icon. This will show the extensions currently installed in your browser. Find the keyword blocker extension you just added, then open its options or choose to manage it depending on how it appears in Chrome. Inside the extension settings, you can begin adding the keywords you want to block. Enter the words or phrases carefully, since the extension will use that list to filter matching content. Some keyword blockers may let you add multiple entries at once, while others may require you to add them one by one. If there are additional controls available, such as saving changes or enabling the blocker, make sure those are turned on so the extension works properly. It is a good idea to review the keyword list after you enter everything, just to make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Even a small typo can affect how well the filter works. After that, the extension should begin blocking content based on the keywords you added. That covers everything you need to know.